Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another meaningful English conversation. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. It's always great to be here and talk about something that can truly inspire people.
Today, we are talking about something very personal, powerful, and deeply connected to our future.
Yes, today's topic is about dreams. Not the dreams we see while sleeping, but the dreams we carry inside our hearts.
Dreams can be big or small, but they often become the reason people keep moving forward in difficult times.
Exactly. A dream gives us direction, motivation, and hope, especially when life feels confusing or hard.
Part 1. What are dreams? James, when people hear the word dream, what usually comes to their mind?
Many people first think about sleep, strange stories, or funny things they imagine at night.
True, but today we are talking about life dreams, our goals, ambitions, and the things we want to achieve.
A dream can be becoming successful, helping your family, learning English fluently, or creating a better future.
Some dreams are about career, while others are about peace, happiness, or personal growth.
And no dream is too small if it gives your life meaning.
Part 2. Childhood dreams. James, what was your dream when you were a child?
Honestly, my dreams changed many times when I was growing up.
That happens to many people. What was your first dream?
I wanted to become a superhero because I thought flying would solve all my problems.
That sounds very ambitious.
Yes, until I jumped from a chair and realized gravity had other plans.
Reality can be rude.
Later, I wanted to become a scientist because I loved asking questions and understanding how things worked.
That shows curiosity, which is always a good quality.
Then I wanted to become someone who helps people because I realized success feels better when it helps others too.
Part 3. Emma's dream. My dream was very different because I was not always confident.
Really? You sound very calm and confident now.
That came later. When I was younger, I was shy and often afraid to speak in front of others.
Many listeners will understand that feeling.
My first dream was simply to become confident enough to express myself without fear.
That is actually a powerful dream.
Over time, I learned that confidence doesn't come in one day. It grows slowly through practice, mistakes, and patience.
So, what is your dream now?
My dream now is to continue learning, become wiser, improve my communication, and help others through my journey. Part 4. Why dreams matter. James, why do dreams matter so much in life?
Because without dreams, people often feel lost and directionless.
Like walking on a road without knowing where it leads.
Exactly. A dream gives purpose to effort and meaning to struggle.
Sometimes a dream is the reason a person wakes up and keeps trying again.
Even when life becomes difficult, dreams remind us that tomorrow can be better.
Part 5. Fear and failure. But many people stop chasing dreams. Why do you think that happens?
The biggest reason is fear.
Fear of failure?
Yes, people fear failing, being judged, being laughed at, or not being good enough.
Sometimes they also compare themselves with others.
That can be dangerous because comparison can steal confidence.
Very true.
The problem is not failing. The real problem is quitting because of fear.
Failure can teach lessons, but fear can stop action completely. Part 6. Let's practice how someone can talk about their dream in English.
Good idea. Let's start with a simple example.
Go ahead.
Hello, my name is James. My dream is to become successful and confident in life. I want to improve my communication skills because I believe good communication opens many opportunities. I know success takes patience, but I am ready to work hard every day.
That sounds natural and clear.
Now, an advanced example.
Go.
My dream is not only to achieve personal success, but also to grow into a better person. I want to continue learning, improve my skills, and create a meaningful life. I understand that every dream requires patience, discipline, and courage. Even if life becomes difficult, I want to keep moving forward with faith and determination.
That is strong, thoughtful, and inspiring. Part 8. How to reach a dream. Dreams are beautiful, but how do we actually reach them?
First, we need clarity. We should know exactly what we want.
A clear goal makes action easier.
Second, we should start small instead of waiting for perfect conditions.
Small daily actions create long-term growth.
Third, we should stay consistent because success usually comes slowly.
Yes, practice may feel small today, but it creates big results over time.
Fourth, learn from mistakes instead of feeling defeated.
Every failure can become a lesson.
And finally, never quit too early.
If you have a dream, protect it and work for it.
Even if progress feels slow, remember that slow growth is still growth.
Do not compare your journey with someone else's journey.
Your path is unique and your timing is different.
If fear appears, move forward anyway.
If failure comes, learn and continue.
If people doubt you, stay focused on your purpose.
Because dreams aren't built by wishing alone.
They are built by patience, courage, discipline, and action.
One small step every day can change your future.
Thank you for listening.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
Keep growing.
And never stop believing in your dreams.
Bye, everyone.